Saudi Arabia's tourism minister Ahmed Al-Khatib said China is an important tourism market, and the Arab country hopes that more Chinese tourists would visit to learn about Saudi heritage, culture and people. Al-Khatib made the remarks before the 116th United Nations World Tourism Organization Executive Council meeting, which opened Tuesday in the Saudi coastal city Jeddah.
China for us is a very important market, and we have been enjoying your culture and heritage for many, many years, especially your delicious food, where we can find it everywhere in Saudi Arabia. And now we want the Chinese to come and experience the Saudi heritage and culture and people. We want to diversify our economy. We want to share our culture and heritage with the world, and therefore tourism is a main pillar in 2030 vision. We launched our national tourism strategy back in 2019, and we opened up the country to 49 countries. China is one of them, where you can get a visa online in a few minutes.
The Saudi minister noted the global tourism sector was in the recovery phase, after the drastic decline in tourism revenues because of the COVID-19 related travel restrictions and other health measures.
The sector used to employ 330 million people back in 2019, just before the pandemic. We lost more than 60 million jobs during the pandemic, and now we are recovering. We are investing heavily in this sector. The sector represents about 4% of our GDP. We want to take it to 10% by 2030. Saudi Arabia have announced its plan to develop more than 6 new destinations. The plan to invest more than $300 billion in the next 10 years.